Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming a Wearable Unicorn Glowy makeup tutorial for you all using drugstore makeup products such as Maybelline and NYX. This look was fairly inexpensive and I'm very happy with the outcome. I feel like a glittery, sparkly unicorn eating a sprinkled ice cream on top of a rainbow. So if you all would like to see how I achieve this makeup look, then continue watching and be sure to subscribe to my channel to check out more videos coming your way. Alright, now let's get started. The first product that I am using is e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer. I'm just going to put one pump onto my fingertips and then dab a couple of spots on my face. This helps minimize the size of my pores as well as helps make my makeup last a little bit longer throughout the day. This next step is optional. I'm using Wet n Wild Photo Focus Correcting Palette. I'm using the color green to help cover up any imperfections, marks, or blemishes on my face. Next, I will be applying my liquid foundation. I use Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless for normal to oily skin in the color Warm Nude. I definitely recommend this drugstore product if you have oily skin like I do. I noticed that it helps me control my shine and it's not that expensive. This next step is also optional. I am using Hard Candy Glamouflage Heavy Duty Concealer. This is just to cover up, again, any imperfections or dark circles that you may have on your face. Next, I am applying NYX Proof It Waterproof Eyeshadow Primer. This is just to help your eyeshadow last longer throughout the day and not crease. Apply some foundation powder. Again, I am using Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless for normal to oily skin in the color Natural Beige. Now I will be curling my eyelashes I know some people like to wait and do this right before they apply mascara, but I like to put it on right before I apply eyeshadow. Next, I will be applying Maybelline 24-Hour Color Tattoo Metal in the color Inked in Pink. I'm just going to lay this down on my eyelids as a base. That helps my other powder shadows to last longer throughout the day. This here is NYX Pigments in the color Froyo. It's a nice pinky purple shade that's going to help my other eyeshadows pop. And now to applying even more eyeshadows, I am using Maybelline, the City Kids Urban Light Eye and Cheek Palette. First color I'm going to be using is a lighter pink color. Just going to put some of that on both of my eyelids. From the same palette, I am using the purple color now down at the bottom. Again, I'm going to be applying that to both of my eyelids right in the middle. Taking a highlighter brush, I'm going to be blending together those eyeshadows just to give it a nice smooth look. Again, from the same palette, I'm going to be using the darker pink color up at the top left corner. I'm just going to be blending out the edges of my eyelids with this color. Now I'm going to highlight my eyebrow bone and the inner corners of my eye with the shimmery pale pink eyeshadow color. This is the only non-drugstore product that I used in this makeup tutorial. It is an eyeliner from Sephora in the color Wild Spirit, which is just a purple eyeliner. You can find purple eyeliner in any drugstore brand. And now I will be applying a purple liquid eyeliner from NYX Strictly Vinyl in the color Extra. Just a small thin line, nothing too crazy. Time to apply some mascara. I will be using Maybelline The Falsies Push-Up Drama. This is a great drugstore mascara if you are looking to add some volume to your eyelashes. Now back to that same Maybelline Urban Light Eye and Cheek palette. I'm going to be using the blush all the way to the left hand side. It's time to glow like a unicorn. I am using NYX Away We Glow Liquid Highlighter, and this is in the color State of Flux. You just want to put a little bit above your cheek, right where you apply the blush. to apply some down the bridge of my nose just to give me that unicorn sparkle. And back to the Maybelline Urban Light Eye and Cheek palette, I'm going to be using the highlighter on top of the liquid highlighter. We really want to make it look like a unicorn eating a glazed donut. Before applying any lip gloss, I'm going to be applying Maybelline Baby Lips Lip Balm in the color My Pink. It's just a lightly pink tinted lip balm that's going to help moisturize my lips before I put on that sparkly, glowy lip gloss. Look how pretty this lip gloss is by NYX. It is in the color Spring It On. It is called the Duochromatic Chromatique Lip Gloss. It's a shimmer lip gloss, and it just gives a really beautiful glowy shine to my lips. I love it. It's not too sticky either. Last but not least, I am using NYX Matte Finishing Spray. It's a long-lasting setting spray that is just going to set my makeup in place and make it last all day long.